Alright, so today we are undergoing some minor surgery. This is the 2020 KTM 1290 Super Duke R, and we're taking that big behemoth off of it this afternoon. It's being replaced by an Aero Pro Race exhaust, but I couldn't find on YouTube a before and after of the exhaust note, so I'm getting that done today. Here's part one, obviously. Go ahead and start up the bike so that you can hear it with the stock exhaust. We'll get the Aero on and take another video. Alright, we're back, and it looks pretty good to me. Let me give you a good peek at it. Matches the bike really well. Now let's turn it on. See how it sounds. I think we can call that dramatically improved. Lost a little weight too.